Hey guys, welcome back to KW Airsoft. Wyatt here. Kevin's the cameraman.
Whoop, whoop.
And today we're doing stock versus beefed up. That beefy boy right there, you can't tell much of a difference because it's on internal. But I'm going to get some externals for it later. But yeah, let's get straight into the comparison. So on the chronograph here, it's a very accurate chronograph. And we're going to test it. So let's see. Oh. 352.2. 352.2. Now, let's test the trigger response on that real quick. That is definitely stock, but now let's test the RPS on this bad boy. Okay, so, yep. That's at 18.8 rounds a second.
So, I mean, for a Lancer Tactical Gen 2 stock with 9.6 volt nunchuck style battery, it's not a lithium ion, it's not high voltage, right? I mean, it's out of the box, not too shabby.
Out of the box,
you're going to be competitive with all the people that have the little rental guns.
Yep.
Okay.
And now, time for the beefy boy.
Ooh.
The beefer, McBeeferson.
Yeah.
Now, let's do one shot. That is just crispy immediately. 443 FPS. Let's get two more shots.
Okay, go ahead.
455.9 FPS.
Okay.
And the exact same. So that's pretty good. Now let's test the RPS with this bad beefy boy. 52.6 rounds a second.
Ooh, let me get a little zoom in.
That is insane.
That's crisp.
That is crazy. So, yep, that's my gun, my upgrade gun compared to a stock gun. So, see y'all guys next time on KW Airsoft.
Peace.
Peace out.